Okay guys, so today we're gonna see the local coffee shop in the Central Java between the mountains, and it should be an amazing place. This is the coffee shop of my couch surfer. Now we're gonna check it. So this coffee shop located in Central Java near the city Pekalongan. Am I right? Yes. So the name of this coffee shop, de.blado. Alright, so now let's see the cafe, and then we're gonna see a little bit more of the nature places around. Okay, let's check it out.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Can I help you?
Yes, I would like to see the menu.
Menu.
Oh, nice. Thanks.
And this is any restaurant and cafe. This is cafe, and this is Tisana resto.
Restaurant.
Yes.
Cool.
You can choose. Please sit and.
Okay, thanks. So the guys, they gave me the menu. They explained me a little bit of these drinks. So some of them are local drinks and signature drinks. So that's nice. That's really nice, and I like it. Now we're gonna drink our coffee latte with the coconut milk. I guess it's gonna be so delicious, especially on this view. Look there. Ooh. So nice.
This is es kopi suaren. This is coconut latte.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Yes.
They had two coffees for me and my friend. What's the name of this drink?
Es kopi suaren is like coffee with palm sugar.
It's palm sugar.
Yeah, and the palm sugar we took it from the local farmer, so it's all organic.
Cool. Wow, that's very good. So my first opinion about Indonesian coffee is like, taste is so-so, but the places are really nice. But in this place I found it really nice, delicious coffee. I am really enjoying this place and enjoying this coffee. If you are traveling around Indonesia, if you have free time to come from the main road up to the mountains to this place, I really recommend you to come to visit this wonderful spot. It's a really nice place with the nature, tea plantations, trees and jungles all around. I will save the location under below this video in description so you can find it easily. Cool. So nice. Can you tell me a little bit about this place? What time is the best for visiting and how people can reach here?
Yeah, as you can see, like the road is like in the middle of nowhere. It's around a tea plantation in Batang area. People can get here by cars, by motorbike, or bus, because the road is quite big enough actually.
What time is like the most visitors in here?
Usually it's around 12 until 4. When you are lucky enough, it will be like so foggy around this area, and it's not so hot. Also, it's not that cold, and that's the best time to visit here.
Okay, thanks. Enjoying. So now we are going to the waterfall around this area. I'm gonna see you there. That's impossible to go by motorbike on this road. Did it sound? I guess this is the bird. So beautiful. Now we are going to the waterfall. That should be amazing. So now guys, we are coming down to that waterfall and we will try to swim. So nice, I like this place so much. Do you hear that sound? Yes, this is the waterfall. Oh guys, that's wonderful. Incredible nature. So cool. I guess it is too cold. But I will do it. I will do it. I'm really scared of the cold. I'm scared of the water, but I really want to do it. Let's go. Cool and amazing. It's refreshing. I don't know if you see me properly in the video because it is wet from the waterfall. But I hope you enjoyed this video the same as my swimming. I'm so happy to be here. Wonderful. Let's come closer. I enjoy this waterfall. I enjoy this water, and that's incredible, guys. Well, friends, now we are going up, and what I can say about this waterfall, it's just emotions. It's really worth to come here. It's really worth to swim. The water is not so cold as you might think in this video. I will save the location down below in this video. If you have a chance to come here, for sure come and swim. No people, no tourists. At this time, no one around here. And the wonderful coffee shop, for sure you have to visit this. Now we are going up, and thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Of course, if you like this adventure, if you want to see more of Indonesian places, subscribe on this channel and you're gonna see all the beauty of Indonesia. More adventures gonna be on my channel soon. Thank you so much, guys. It's amazing to have the local people who can drop you to the places like this. All around, they can show you everything. If you want to contact him, you're welcome to the coffee shop. See you somewhere.